Sukha, Perek Beis, Mishnah Tes. Kol Shivas Hayomim, all 7 days of Sukkos. Odom Oise Sukkosei Keva, he should make his Sukkah, his main residence, permanent residence, Uveisei Arai, and his house during the year, that house should be considered his temporary abode. In which way, says the Bartanura, if he has beautiful vessels, he should bring them into the Sukkah. Yordu Geshomim, if the rain fell, Me'emusai mutelafanois, when would it be permitted to leave the Sukkah? Says the Mishnah, Mishet Tisrach HaMikpah, if the porridge would get spoilt. What does that mean? Explains the Bartanura. Porridge we're talking about here is food which is neither very thick or very loose. If that would get spoilt, then that is the time the one would be permitted to leave the Sukkah and not stay there. Concludes the Mishnah. Moshlu Moshel, the Rabbonim gave a parable for this, for the rainfall on Sukkos, where a person would be leaving the Sukkah. Lemor Hador Adomer, what is this compared to? Le'eved, to a servant. Shebo Limzoi Kois LaRabbi, a servant's coming to pour a cup to drink for his master. Literally, limzog is to mix, pouring a cup for his master. This would be us, Klal Yisrael. However, v'shofach lo kitoin al ponov, and the master throws the jug into the face of the Eved, not allowing him to serve him, not allowing the Eved to serve the master. This comparison, or this parable, would be the way we should regard ourselves if we can't perform the mitzvah of Sukkos. We come to perform the mitzvah of Sukkos, the mitzvah of Sukkah, and we're not allowed to because of the rainfall. And therefore a person should leave the Sukkah under these circumstances in a way of anova, humility. However, the Bikuri Yaakov, Rabbi Yaakov Ettinger, Zatzal, he quotes the Sefer Chemdas Hayomim, which says that this parable is only relevant when, prior to Sukkos, it was beautiful weather. And just as Sukkos arrives, it starts to rain, and therefore we cannot fulfill the mitzvah of Sukkah. If, however, it had been raining prior to Sukkos, and it rains also on Sukkos, this would not be included in this parable, but rather that would be Gishmei Bracha. It would be rainfall of a blessing. That concludes Mishnah Tes and Perek Beis.